I'm passing the phone to someone who like never puts their hand up in a ponytail.
I'm passing the phone that has good style.
Wait, what?
I'm passing the phone. Oh, what the heck? I'm passing the phone to someone who's been a great friend. Pass this to Zahara.
Okay. How do you do it? She just wanted me to. Alright. I'm passing the phone to someone who like never wears socks.
Never wear socks. Never. Move. I'm passing the phone
Wait, what does it look like?
to someone who never ties her hair. Me?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm passing the phone that I've been friends for 2 years.
Okay, you really gotta brush this a bit, okay? I'm passing the phone to someone who like wears like so much clothes in winter, although it's hot. Yeah, that's good. Please, me.
That have Kersey hair. You said Kersey hair.
I'm passing to the phone someone who has braided hair.
Are you playing? Is she playing?
And me, I'm also playing.
Okay. I'm passing the phone to someone that cusses a lot.
No, that's crazy. That's crazy.
I'm passing the phone to someone who has a big head. I'm passing the phone to a kid who does not have a girlfriend. I'm passing the phone to someone who has a fat girlfriend. I'm passing the phone to a kid that does not clean his room at all.
Damn.
I don't know why you're talking. You have rats in your room.
Damn. And I'm not exaggerating either. Hey, give me it. Okay, well, I actually got cockroaches.
At least I don't pee in a cup, Mason.
What?
I'm passing the phone to a kid who pees at 3 a.m. in a damn cup.
How do you know that? How do you know that?
I live with them.
Hey, you be seeing them?